Let's go wrestle.
Get him, Michael.
There you go. He's fumbling in. There you go. Watch it, Mike. There you go, Mike. Good job. Good job, y'all. Armbar. Armbar. Oh.
Oh my God. That looked like it was about to hurt.
Drop with it, Mike. You gotta drop with that. There you go. Blake, roll through. There you go. Keep coming through. Just come all the way through. Good job.
It's over.
Come out, Blake. You're out. There's no pressure on you. Step up. Keep going through.
Legs are strong. Here's
So,
your leg.
Reverse half, Mike.
Reverse. Throw that leg down.
No, Blake.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. 5 minutes rest, and then where do you go? There he is, sorry.